What's going on, guys? Hope everyone's having a good day. I was just thinking, like, what video am I gonna film today? And you know, I haven't really vlogged in a while, and so I guess I'm just gonna take you guys along with this video. I think this video is gonna bring value to a lot of you, especially if you are short on money or you don't know exactly how to make money kind of in a short period of time. This is something I do and have been doing since the Gary V 2017 Flip Challenge. Shout out to Gary Vaynerchuk. If you don't follow him, you're missing out big time. Go follow him on Instagram right now. Check out his YouTube channel. He's got a lot of good content. I think just going through quickly with kind of exactly how to do it, or at least one way of doing it, I think this could really help someone. So basically, I was gonna go do this today anyway, and I wanted to film a video as well, so I was like, alright, you guys are gonna come with me. So what this is essentially is just it's the flip game. It's buying something somewhere and selling it for more. You know, doesn't matter where you get it or where you sell it, but what I do is garage sales, you know, some stores, Goodwills, and then I'll flip it on eBay. And I only sell on eBay right now. So like right now we're on the way to, it's called a Goodwill, but it's the outlet of Goodwill. So basically they sell stuff by the weight. So it's really cheap and it's really beneficial, and you can find a lot of good stuff in there. It's an endless game really of flipping stuff. I mean, I focused on clothes for a while, so I'm pretty educated on what clothes sell for a good amount and what don't. Also books are nice because you can scan the back of them and just see how much they're selling for and decide whether or not to buy it or not on the spot, and you can scan them really fast. With clothes, it's kind of just off the top of my head. The thing about the flip is that everything sells. I mean, everything has a price, just depending on you know, how much you want to profit on each item. It really is an endless game. I mean, as much stuff as you can have in inventory and keep selling, and as much space as you have to do it, and if you're willing to put in the work, you can really scale this. And you can go into any category of product and learn about it, and you'll be able to walk into a garage sale or a Goodwill or a thrift shop and look at stuff without having to look it up on your phone and know that it's gonna sell and it's gonna be worth it. Just for an example, last time I was here a few weeks ago, I bought a O'Neill wetsuit, and it went by the pound. It was like $1 something per pound, so wetsuits a couple pounds, so it was like a couple bucks, right? I flipped it for like 40 bucks on eBay. So a couple bucks to 40 bucks, that's a great profit. And I only do eBay, but I mean, you could do Craigslist to Facebook Marketplace, you know, Facebook Marketplace to eBay, Craigslist to eBay, it's, you know, garage sales to eBay, garage sales to Amazon. You know, it's really an endless game depending on what you want to do. So I'm at the Goodwill now. I'm not gonna film in there. I don't really want to. But depending on what I get, I will show you guys what I got and what I think it's worth. Alright guys, I got done at the Goodwill outlet. I got about 10 things. I didn't do as good as I normally would. Well, actually, no, I did fine, but it took longer than it normally does. Usually I could spend less than an hour there and do pretty well, but today I had to spend 2 hours to get, I got 10 things. It cost me $13. I'm probably gonna net around $100 profit after selling all of these. So I'd say it's pretty good. Like this sweater here I got, has a tag on it still for $60. I don't know how much it's actually worth, but just this alone was probably $1. So a pretty good flip there. And I got some jeans, some other shirts, some pretty good stuff. And again guys, this is just one place that you could do it. I mean, Marshalls, like just a few off the top of my head, Marshalls, Ross, Goodwill, garage sales, thrift stores. I mean, pretty much anything. Like, you can figure it out what works for you. I mean, this has been working for me pretty well. There's just so many different ways you could do it. Like, you could literally flip anywhere. It doesn't even have to be on eBay or Amazon. It could just be straight to Craigslist. You can go Craigslist free back on Craigslist. Like, it's pretty crazy what you can come up with. That's one that Gary's really been on a kick about, is the Craigslist free to back on Craigslist or to Facebook Marketplace, because you can get it for free. It doesn't cost you anything, so you're not in it for anything. Something I would recommend though to you guys is to start off with stuff you have in your house, stuff that you don't use anymore, that you don't want. Put it on eBay and sell it, because you're not using it, and if you need the money, just get rid of it, and it'll help to get those first few things out and until you learn how to do it properly. And if you don't have anything, go buy some stuff and go test it out, see what you can flip. Let me know what you guys think. I hope this helped you guys. Please comment below, let me know what you flipped, what you could flip, what you think could work, and I really want to talk to you guys about it. Let's go. It's up to you how much you want to make, how much money you want to make. I mean, you could literally make $1,000 in a weekend if you really wanted to. I mean, you just gotta find that flip and keep going. If it's just an extra 20, 30, 100, 300, 500 bucks, you know, that's better than nothing, and a lot of people could use that extra money. You know, and do some research, figure it out. Figure out how to make an eBay account if you don't already have one, how to post, how to take good pictures, you know, and what stuff sells for. Don't undersell your stuff. Do the research, put in a little bit of time, even if it's stuff that's just in your room, make sure you're selling it for what it's actually worth. Alright guys, I think that's everything that I wanted to touch. If you have any questions, just comment below. I'm going to be getting in the comments heavy. Hopefully you guys are talking to me about what you're flipping or what you have flipped. And hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe, comment, hit that thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram at James Garville, and that's it guys, have a good one.